Welcome back to Medicine Made Easy with me, Kavya Tendral. Now, we will discuss a very important topic in surgery, and that is carcinoma breast. It is a video on staging of carcinoma breast. Before we actually continue our topic, if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe for regular video updates and also press the bell icon. I've also given the Instagram page link in the description. Do check it out. You can follow in the Instagram, wherein I'll be posting the notes for the same there regularly. If you like this video, if you feel this video will for sure help you remember the staging of carcinoma breast very easily, you can please share to your friends. We'll all learn together. Now, without further delay, let us continue. Before we continue with the TNM staging itself per se, I will say a small idea which is actually relevant to the carcinoma breast to remember the TNM staging. Okay, see, basically a woman is going to have two mammary glands, and the moment what is the lymphatic drainage of mammary gland, someone is going to ask, that is first what is going to be the answer is the axillary group of lymph node, right? So axillary group of lymph node should be coming first. Next is BMI. If at all a woman has a high BMI, she's obviously she's an obese woman, right? So obesity is an hyperestrogenic state. This hyperestrogenic state is going to be a risk factor for cancer breast. Now we know these are all the factors that is going to cause cancer breast, and for that we are going to screen the women for cancer breast, right? So first what you need to say to the women that, okay, ma'am, you are more than 40 years, you are at more risk of some cancers which we need to be screening you. So counsel, then screen, and then check whether the lesion is present or not, and then investigate for the further and assess. This is called triple assessment, what we studied, right? So this is the story lane. And what is the mnemonic here? Just remember the number 2, the first one and axillary lymph node, BMI, C, S, plus, and I. This is the order, right? Please remember this order alone, CS plus I, and all of these highlighted points. Let us now continue with the TNM staging. See, TNM staging means tumor, node, and metastasis. In tumor, it is like till 4 stages. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Under 4, we have 4 subtypes like A, B, C, and D. In node, we have 3, 1, 2, and 3. In 2, we have A and B. In 3, we have A, B, and C. Coming to metastasis, we have M1. Before that, all of these we have a T0, Tx, N0, Nx, M0, Nx. That is, there is no evidence of tumor, no evidence of node, no evidence of metastasis, no tumor assessed, and no node is being assessed, or no metastasis is found. Okay, ma? So this is the outline of TNM staging. What you need to remember, 4 is T4 la 4 stages irukku, N2 has 2, and N3 has 3 parts. Now let us consider the proper TNM staging. First is tumor. See, as I already said, 2 mammary gland, yeah. So T1 is 2 centimeter, and T3. So take the 2 and add it, 3 plus 2, 5. So 5. It is a progressing size, yeah. So it is less than 2 and more than 5. Remember, if it is less than 2, more than 5, then T2 will be 2 to 5 centimeter. Now coming to 4. T4 learn it is always more than 5 centimeters of tumor. Now, I asked you to remember counsel, then screen, and then check whether lesion is present or not, and then investigate. Yeah. So C, S, plus, and I. A, B, C, and T. So A is for chest wall involvement, B is for skin involvement, C is for both chest wall and skin involvement, and D is for inflammatory carcinoma breast, which is a most bad prognosis. Okay, so this is all about the tumor. And one thing is, if at all there is a edema of the skin or satellite nodules which is palpable in the skin, pretty orange appearance, all of these are coming under skin involvement, that is coming under T4B. Okay, now coming to node. See, one thing you must have to remember, it is we are going to speak all about only ipsilateral node. Okay, ipsilateral, that because for everything it is only ipsilateral. Point number 1. Number 2, as already said, if at all there is a node is asked, just remember axillary, right? Okay. Next is remember BMI. Now we know the tumor is present here, and it is usually first done in the axillary lymph node, as well as said. One is axillary, and then it goes to internal mammary, and then it goes to infraclavicular, and then to supraclavicular. This is the root. Remember the root also. So that to that we'll all remember the N1, N2, and N3. In N1, as we said, 1 means axillary. We are dealing with ipsilateral, so it is ipsilateral axillary, and it is mobile. 2 is everything same, but it is fixed. So first is mobile, and next is fixed to the chest wall. Now N2, B. Remember, B means always internal mammary. Okay. So B, wherever you see B, it is internal memory. So B is internal memory, and here N3B also internal memory is present. But extra in N3B is plus axillary lymph node. That's all. So it is one. Sorry, from the tumor here 1, 2, and 3. What is 3? Infraclavicular node. So N3A is infraclavicular node, ipsilateral, and N3C, that is at last. What is going? It is to ipsilateral supraclavicular lymph node. That's all. So this is all about the node. Next, coming to metastasis. Metastasis, M0, MX, and M1. M1 is assigned. We have found that there is a evidence of metastasis. So M1 is metastasis present. So to come into summary, see, T, N, and M. For T, it is 2 mg, 2 mammary gland. I said right, 2 mammary gland. So it is lesion starts with a size of 2 centimeter and it less than 2 centimeter and goes on. C, S, and I are coming in the 4 T4 staging. So it is A, B, C, and D. Now coming to node, it is always N1. Abhinna, it is axillary lymph node is involved. Wherever you see B, internal mammary node is involved. Just remember with the mnemonic of BMI. And in metastasis, M1 says there is an evidence of metastasis. So this is all about the staging of carcinoma breast. Hope you like this video, and if you like the video, please share to your friends. We'll all learn together, and we'll all meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.